Connecting your HostGator account to WordPress allows you to build and manage your website effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into HostGator. Start by logging into your HostGator account using your credentials. Access cPanel. From the HostGator dashboard, navigate to cPanel. This is where you manage your hosting settings. Find the Softaculous installer. In cPanel, locate the software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer or WordPress icon. Install WordPress. Click on Install Now. You'll be prompted to select your domain where you want to install WordPress. Fill in required fields, including site name, admin username, password, and admin email. Choose any additional plugins or themes if desired. Complete the installation. Click on the Install button. Wait for the process to complete. You will see a confirmation message along with the URL to your new WordPress site. Log into WordPress. Access your WordPress admin panel by visiting yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Log in with the credentials you set during installation.